Drones have been a hot topic in the news lately, with everyone from the military to Amazon experimenting with them. But what are drones, and what do they mean for the future? Today, we're going to talk about the dawn of the drone age. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, and they're being used for a variety of purposes, from photography to delivery. But what are drones, and how do they work? We'll answer those questions and more in this video. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Drones, known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are aircraft that can be operated without a human pilot on board. They are controlled either by a remote operator on the ground or by onboard computers. Drones come in a variety of shapes and sizes and can be used for a variety of purposes, from military airstrikes to delivering packages. UAVs were first developed for military applications, and they continue to play a vital role in modern warfare. But as the technology has become more sophisticated and less expensive, drones are being used for an ever-growing number of tasks, including border patrol, search and rescue, disaster relief, and even package delivery. The first pilotless vehicles were developed in Britain and the USA during the First World War. Britain's aerial target, a small radio-controlled aircraft, was first tested in March 1917, while the American aerial torpedo, known as the Kettering bug, first flew in October 1918. Although both showed promise in flight tests, neither was used operationally during the war. During the interwar period, the development and testing of unmanned aircraft continued. In 1935, the British produced a number of radio-controlled aircraft to be used as targets for training purposes. It's thought the term drone started to be used at this time, inspired by the name of one of these models, the DH-82B Queen Bee. Radio-controlled drones were also manufactured in the United States and used for target practice and training. The use of drones continued to grow during the Second World War, with both sides using them for reconnaissance and target practice. Drones also began to be used for bombing missions, with the first recorded use of drones in combat taking place in November 1944, when the U.S. Navy used them to attack a Japanese radio station in the Philippines. Since then, the use of drones has continued to grow, with them now being used for a variety of tasks such as surveillance, intelligence gathering, and even delivering goods. The future of drones looks to be a bright one, with new and innovative uses for them being developed all the time. We are living in the drone age. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, with both civilians and businesses alike utilizing them for a variety of purposes. While they were originally designed for military use, drones are now being used for everything from photography to packaging delivery. The technology of drones has advanced rapidly in recent years, with new generations of the devices being released at a quick pace. The most recent generation, Generation 7, is already underway, as 3D Robotics announced the world's first all-in-one smart drone called Solo. Smart drones are the next big revolution in drone technology, as they are equipped with built-in safeguards and compliance tech, smart accurate sensors, and self-monitoring capabilities. This would allow for their subsequent mass adoption, provided the strict US FAA legislation surrounding drone technology and usage is loosened to some degree. There are a number of reasons for the growing popularity of drones. They are relatively inexpensive and easy to use, and can be operated without a lot of training. Additionally, drones can go places that humans can't, such as into hazardous environments or over difficult terrain. Drones are becoming increasingly popular in commercial applications, and so too does the potential for businesses to use them as part of their daily operations. The drone services market is expected to explode in the next few years, and consumer drone shipments are predicted to reach 29 million by the end of 2021. This rapid growth presents a huge opportunity for businesses to adopt drones into their workflow, whether it be for delivery, surveying, or any other number of tasks. Drones offer a number of advantages for businesses, including increased efficiency and lower costs. For example, drones can be used to deliver products or services to customers, saving businesses time and money on traditional shipping methods. In addition, drones can be used to survey land or property, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming on-site visits. As the use of drones in business continues to increase, it's important for companies to stay ahead of the curve and explore how they can use this technology to their advantage. Those who do will be well positioned to reap the many benefits that drones have to offer. As these technologies continue to evolve and grow, drones will become safer and more dependable. This would allow for their subsequent mass adoption, provided the strict US FAA legislation surrounding drone technology and usage is loosened to some degree. With the help of these new smart drones, various sectors would be able to utilize drones to their full potential, which would help to improve efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching our video on the dawn of the drone age. This is an exciting time for drone technology, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for these amazing machines. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest drone technology and news.